Hello, Mom and Sir. I am April Joy Samiliano. You can call me Joy for short. I am 34 years old, single. My height is 150 centimeter and my weight is 62 kilograms. I am a college graduate, took up hotel and restaurant management. I have working experience in the Philippines for almost 6 years. I can take care of kids, pets, ironing, cooking, cleaning, and marketing, and also cooking Filipino foods. I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. I can follow recipe given by my employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow instructions. Thank you and have a nice day, Mom and Sir.